Hey, you got a car problem? We're talking engine overheating today, and this is serious stuff. Is your engine overheating? Let's dive into the common causes and how you can fix them. First things first, let's talk about coolant. Coolant keeps your engine running cool by circulating through the engine and radiator. If your coolant level is low, you got a problem. Check your coolant reservoir, and if it's low, add more. Look for any puddles under your car. If you see green or orange goo, that's coolant, and you got a leak. Next up, the thermostat. This little guy is the gatekeeper of your cooling system. If it gets stuck closed, the coolant won't flow properly, causing overheating. Feel the upper radiator hose when the engine is warming up. If it stays cold, you probably got a stuck thermostat. All right, let's talk about the radiator. Sometimes the radiator can get clogged up with dirt and bugs, leading to overheating. You can try flushing your radiator yourself, but if you're not sure, take it to a professional. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now, let's talk about the water pump. It's what pumps the coolant through the engine. If it starts leaking or the impeller breaks, your coolant ain't going nowhere. You might hear a whining noise or see coolant leaking from the pump. If you suspect your water pump is on the fritz, get it checked out ASAP. Let's move on to the hoses. They carry the coolant to and from the engine and radiator. Over time, hoses can get old, brittle, and crack. Take a good look at all your coolant hoses. Squeeze them gently to check for any soft spots or bulges. If you see any problems, replace those hoses right away. Now, let's talk about the cooling fan. It's a crucial component in your car's cooling system. It sits right behind your radiator and pulls air through to cool down the coolant. This process helps maintain the engine's temperature. If the fan stops working, you guessed it, overheating. Your engine can quickly reach dangerous temperatures. The fan could be dead, or there could be an electrical problem. Sometimes it's a simple fuse. Other times, it might be the motor itself. Next time your engine is hot, pop the hood and take a look. Check for any obvious signs of damage or wear. If the fan isn't spinning, it's time to troubleshoot. Look for loose connections, broken wires, or any obstructions. Replacing a faulty fan can save your engine from severe damage. Always ensure your cooling system is in top shape. Now, you might be thinking, what does oil have to do with overheating? Well, it's more important than you might realize. Oil helps to cool things down by absorbing heat and carrying it away to the oil pan. This process is crucial for maintaining the engine's temperature and ensuring it runs smoothly. If your oil level is low, or if the oil is old and sludgy, it can't do its job properly. This can lead to increased friction, overheating, and even severe engine damage over time. Make it a habit to check your oil level regularly and get your oil changed according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Regular maintenance not only keeps your engine running efficiently, but also extends the life of your vehicle. So, don't overlook this simple yet vital task. Finally, let's talk about the exhaust system. A free-flowing exhaust system helps to remove heat from the engine. But if you have a blockage, it can cause a buildup of back pressure, leading to overheating. If you notice a sudden loss of engine power or a roaring sound from your exhaust, have your exhaust system inspected. So, there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot today. The most common causes of engine overheating and how to fix them. It's crucial to understand these issues to prevent costly repairs. Keep your coolant topped off, check your hoses regularly, and ensure there are no leaks. Make sure your cooling fan is working properly. A malfunctioning fan can lead to serious overheating problems. If you do experience overheating, don't ignore the warning signs. Don't panic. Pull over, shut off the engine immediately to prevent further damage, and let it cool down before you start poking around. It's important to be patient and safe. Stay safe out there, and keep those engines running cool. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy engine.